Ready to amp up your content marketing? Look no further. Let's think ahead to 2024 and prep your strategy for success. Answer these 3 game-changing questions to keep your business ahead of the curve. Question 1. What are your audience's pain points? Ask yourself, what problems are my target audience facing? Know your ideal consumer's challenges and frustrations. Look to feedback and social media to grasp their concerns and needs. Use this insight to create more resonating content. Question 2. What are the trends in your industry? Stay ahead of industry changes by tracking emerging technologies, new social media, and evolving consumer behavior. It's vital to create content that reflects these latest trends and keeps your audience engaged and interested. Question 3. How can you leverage video in your strategy? Ask yourself, how can I use video for content marketing? Videos engage, boost SEO, and improve conversion rates. Create high-quality videos with Pictory to showcase your brand. Future-proof your content marketing for 2024 and beyond by answering these 3 powerful questions. Identify your audience's pain points, stay on top of industry trends, and use Pictory to take the hassle out of your video content marketing. Visit our blog and channel for more tips and tricks to get the most out of your content marketing.